Get up!
What?
You happy? Oh, you still got scraps, huh?
But you know what? It's getting to be a bit much.
I have no idea how you cope.
Of course I cope. I'm a woman.
Ain't that the truth?
But girl, I done all that I can do. But you know how boys are. Wait a minute. Oh, girl. Whew, hey, how much further?
We ain't even gone 5 yards yet.
Okay, I know, I'm just asking.
This is spirit walking. Exercises body and soul. It's all the rage. We are women and we are free. Free and against patriarchy. We are women. We are free. We are women. We are shouting. We are free.
Damn. F, is that your auntie?
Yeah, thank God I missed her crazy ass. She's spirit walking this shit now, man. That's just her attempts to...
Hey, don't be talking shit about your auntie, man. She cool as a motherfucker, man. Come on.
Come where?
We gotta go pick up some shit from around the corner, man. We can walk and talk at the same time, my nigga.
Why the fuck we can't drive?
Around the block with Chop? You need to walk with your fat ass.
Yeah, okay, you tall, linky son of a bitch.
Come on, homie, we ain't got all day. Let's go. Man, there's 2 homies right here waiting on your ass.
For sure, but what you got up?
Kidnapping, fool. That clown D. That OG fool from Ballers.
Dog, I told you, no more gang-banging retro vengeance bullshit. I'm trying to make some fucking paper.
You gonna make some paper, Lo, and ain't nobody out here gang-banging. It just look like that. You gotta know the difference, man.
Fuck, man, great. My aunt would be very happy, homie. She wants me dead anyway so she can get the fucking house.
You driving.
Get in the van, Chop. Get in the van. Good dog.
Go up Vinewood Boulevard.
Hey, I like your dog, homie. Me and Chop got a lot in common. Yo annoying ass.
Man, I'm carrying both of y'all asses, homie. Look what I set up.
Man, fuck this, man. You seen Tanisha?
She straight. It's me and you that ain't straight, though, homie.
Dog, I know, homie. But look, I met this contact, this white dude. Real serious dude, man. This motherfucker know the streets, homie. I know he'll be a good hookup for us.
We don't need no hookup, fool. I know these streets.
You know these streets. Man, all you know is dime bag hustling, credit card stealing, boosting gas tankers on me? Come on, man. What, you trying to be some fucking commodity trader or something?
Fool, that shit went up, man.
Look, homie, I don't mind dying, you feel me? But I just want to die for something that matters, homie. That's what foreign gangsters should really be about.
And I know this much, the motherfucking OGs ain't even giving a fuck about us, though.
Man, fuck the OGs then. You know what I'm saying? This ain't no motherfucking pyramid scheme.
No, wait, hold on. Listen to your boy one time. Listen to your boy. You want some paper, my nigga? This is what it's about. Check it out. I'm talking about 40,000. No problem. Cash in hand, 2 days time, no killing, nothing.
No, just starting another beef with the fucking ballers, nigga. That's Class A felony bullshit.
We gonna keep our disguise. We gonna keep our disguise on. Ain't nobody gotta know it was us.
Yeah, whatever, homie. We'll see about that. Hey, I know you drive that Emperor. So why we in this bucket? It's struggling on the incline.
I don't care about no hills. I can get guns, dogs, snatched up fools, you name it in the back of this motherfucker.
Glad to see you got your priorities straight. Oh, man! Hey, you okay, Chop?
Chop like to express his inner turmoil, you know?
Hey, what's going on?
He down this alley up here.
Hey, what's up, boo? Ain't you little Laida's cousin?
Yeah.
Damn, you short with it? I was just saying I was trying to holler at
And you ain't hollering at nothing over here.
Why has it gotta be like that? I'm an OG.
And OG, so what? So the fuck what, nigga? It's a million OGs
Well,
over
shit,
here.
how about I put one of these little X pills up your ass crack? Next thing you know, you're gonna be begging for it, boo-boo.
That's disgusting.
What's happening now, D-man? Ain't no fun if the gangsters can't have none.
Man, fuck you, Mark. I ain't sharing no ass with the CGS.
Ain't nobody sharing nothing.
Man, shut the hell up,
fuck
bitch.
you, nigga.
Man, fuck y'all. Hey, ain't there a law against you mark-ass gangsters, insignia, mask-wearing motherfuckers?
Oh, so what's up now, nigga? You snitching or something,
Oh,
nigga?
shit.
Bitch-ass nigga?
Fuck you, nigga. I'm out of here. Fuck
Come
y'all,
on, get that
bitch.
nigga. Come on, let's go. In the van, we gotta go.
He on a bike, man. We ain't gonna catch him.
Just drive, fool.
It's gonna get bumpy, Chop.
That's 40 G's getting away right there. You seen that bitch back there? She a dime. I'm all over that. And she probably the same. Like I said, they flop.
Flock your mind on this shit right here for a minute. You worse than Chop.
He leaving us behind, fool. Come on, homie, concentrate on the road. We heavier, use that momentum and shit.
Give me a break, guys.
Hey, nigga, how Chop doing back there?
He doing fine if we can give him a bust-ass baller to snack on.
Next time, we going after the motherfucker in the car, all right? All these punk-ass bikes. If we snatching this dude, we snatching his ass right. Remember the homies around the block?
Man, the homies is lame.
Yeah, so we not. Cops on their cell phone soon as they made the ransom call. Triangulated the signal. Ghetto birds all over the place. Surveillance.
Damn!
Surveillance, my nigga.
Oh, shit. Damn. He got fucked up. Man, take Chop. Go get that fool.
Nigga, you just sitting your ass there with your feet kicked up. Come on, Chop. Come on. Go bite his ass. Get that motherfucker, Chop.
Get him. Oh, holy shit.
You CGF, Chop. For real. Yeah. Hey, how the fuck you end up with your dumb ass homie, man? How the fuck did I? I'm gonna give you a big bone when you catch this asshole. You idiot! I don't wanna hurt you, and you don't wanna get hurt, dog, so be still. This like sprint training. You got this, homie! Oh, fuck! Come on, boy. Find that fool. Sniff him out, Chop Chop. Lead me to him. You got the scent, homie? He in the train. We in this together, Chop. Let's go. Put him up. Why ain't Lamar searching this shit? There you go. You in here? Man, fuck. Where he at, Chop? Where he at? Chop, what you smelling? That don't look like no ballers on G to me. Shit, Chop. Man, that's a dude, dog. Your little nasty ass ain't picky, is you? Chop, man. You don't gotta do that. You giving it some, huh? Oh, respect for your enthusiasm, homie. This ain't time for humping, Chop. Come on, man. Come on, you horny little motherfucker. You need boot camp or some shit. Go, boy. Where the OG at? Where is he, boy? Come on, where is he? Come on, smell that stinky motherfucker. Give it up. Scared of dogs, nigga?
Oh, shit! Fuck you and your stupid dog!
Don't hump him. Bite his ass, Chop. Get his ass.
Fuck you, you son of a bitch! That bitch just fucking bit me, man!
Shut the fuck up. Hey, man, get over here.
Oh, shit! What the fuck, man? I ain't got no beef with the CGF.
Because maybe we doing our own thing.
What the fuck, man? Shit! Hey, Lamar Davis, is that you, nigga?
Nigga, shut the fuck up. Just get in.
Yeah, that's you, nigga.
Fucking idiot.
Shit, I said I had no beef, man.
Shut the fuck
Hey,
up.
man, what the
Watch
fuck?
him, boy.
Get this fucking dog away from me.
Come on.
Fuck!
Hey, if you don't train Chop, he gonna be a lost cause like you, dog.
We gonna stash this dude in my spot.
We going back to your crib? I've been there when you was in diapers.
Shut up, man. You ain't recognize me.
I knew it was you before you took that flag off. You always been dumb, Lamar.
Really? Well, I guess that means we gonna have to shoot your ass when we pick up our 40 stacks.
You ain't gonna pick up shit. Feds... Oh, no! Feds gonna be on you before you can even move, nigga.
Be quiet. I gotta make a call. We got your boy.
You calling them on a cell phone, you dumb motherfucker? They gonna trace this shit in a
We
second.
want 40,000. Pay me or pay the funeral director, motherfucker.
Keep your eyes
What
on
the
the road.
fuck you done? You just gave them our location. Now we gotta let this motherfucker out of here. Get the fuck out of here. And nigga, give me that damn phone.
What the fuck?
Fuck y'all. I'll be seeing y'all soon.
The only reason you been seeing shit cause we went easy on your ass. Remember that, dog.
Oh, you owe me a fight too, you motherfucker.
This some bullshit. Take me down the cut.
What? Damn.
Man, what the fuck is wrong with you, nigga?
I was getting us paid. What the fuck is wrong with you, nigga? That was a good phone.
A good
Shit!
A good phone? The cops was all over, nigga.
I could have swallowed my card trying to triangulate that.
It's too late, shit's done. At least I saved you the indignity of pulling apart your shit.
Nigga, I ain't afraid to get my hands dirty, old precious motherfucker.
This is what I mean, homie. We need to get serious. Get paid. This shit ain't working.
All right, motherfucker.
You the motherfucker. You better watch out for them ballers. They gonna be on you now. Them cops gonna be on your ass, too.
Yeah, I ain't worried about it. I'm a motherfucking gangster. You know how I do. I can take care of my sizzle.
No, the fuck you kids ain't.
City of saints and struggle, lost scandals, San Andreas.
I'm fucking crazy. my black
You ain't
ass,
nothing but a
dry
punk.
jack off.
Hey, fuck! I knew you was a punk!
Citizen's reporting at 645, close to, the B.J. Smith Rec Center.
Let's do this, motherfucker! It's on now, motherfucker!
Stop by the hotel there.
I see the person. We're in pursuit.
Man, these hey, what's going on, brother?
Shit, that was close! What's up, homie?
Hey, look. Chop got to stay around your crib for a while, homie. That's cool?
Yeah, man, it's cool. Shit's the best place for him anyway.
Ha! Like it ain't nobody out there gunning for your black ass. Bullshit, nigga. Just take care of it, man, all right?
All right, I got you, dog.
That shit ain't real.
Woo, too close.
Fuck you. Whoa! Jesus Christ! Whoa!
Hey, fuck! You want me, huh?
Citizens report assault with a deadly weapon on, Elgin Avenue.
Nah.
Man, you got off lucky, homie.
Buzzkill.